Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect USB mic. Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect UE Mini Boom. Firstly, turn on each speaker you want to use, then press and hold the Bluetooth button on each speaker until the lights starts blinking. On your smartphone, open Bluetooth settings and select the speaker's name when it appears in the list. Wait for a few seconds for the speaker to connect. Now open the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android and search for UE Boom and download the app. If you already have the app, update it when prompt. And if you see a blue update screen, tap Let's Do It and wait for the update to finish. Now open the UE Boom app and the first connected speaker will appear on the home screen. Look for the Party Up icon. It shows two speakers side by side. Tap the Party Up icon to begin connecting the additional speakers. On the Party Up screen, the first connected speaker will be on the middle. Below you'll see other available Bluetooth speakers. Press and hold the speaker's icon and drag it into the center. Wait for a few seconds for the speaker to connect, then repeat this for any additional speakers you want to add. In the UE Boom app, tap and Party, then tap OK to disconnect all speakers, and the music will continue playing on the first connected speaker. Now you're all set up to enjoy music on multiple speakers at once. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.